If your Captain headset microphone isn't working, don't worry. In most cases, it's a simple connection issue, a setting problem, or a blocked permission, and you can usually fix it in just a few minutes. Start by checking the mic itself. Make sure it's fully plugged in, especially if it's a detachable model. Sometimes it feels connected but isn't fully seated. If your headset has a mute button, press it once and listen for a voice prompt like mic on to confirm it's active. Next, check your computer's sound settings. On Windows, right-click the speaker icon, go to Sound, and open the Recording tab. Find your Captain headset microphone, right-click it, and select Set as Default Device. This ensures your system is using the correct microphone. Also, make sure your apps have permission to access the mic. Go to Settings, Privacy, Microphone, and turn on access for both the system and your individual apps. Then reconnect the headset and test it using the voice recorder or any communication app. If it's still not working, try another USB port or audio jack. Sometimes ports fail or don't supply enough power. You can also check Device Manager for driver updates, which can fix detection issues. Most of the time, these steps will get your mic working again. If nothing works, the microphone itself may be faulty, and reaching out to the manufacturer for a replacement might be necessary. Following these steps carefully should resolve almost all common issues with the Captain headset mic.